I now give the floor to International Federation of Information Processing.
Madam President, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, I have the honor to speak on behalf of the International Federation for Information Processing, IFIP, the global nonprofit federation of ICT societies representing researchers, educators, and practitioners from over 40 countries. As we mark 20 years since the World Summit on the Information Society, IFIP welcomes this high-level meeting as a timely opportunity to reaffirm the WSIS vision of a people-centered, inclusive, and development-oriented information society. Over the past 2 decades, WSIS action lines have provided a durable framework for digital development. Yet the digital landscape has fundamentally transformed. Pervasive access and the growing integration of AI, data-driven platforms, and cyber-physical systems now shape economies, governance, and daily life. These developments require us not only to expand access, but to strengthen human rights, governance, privacy, security, and resilience. In this context, IFIP emphasizes 5 points. First, WSIS+20 must reaffirm the importance of evidence-based and technically informed policymaking. Governance of AI, data, and cybersecurity should be grounded in scientific rigor, independent expertise, and long-term societal impact. IFIP stands ready to support in this effort, drawing on initiatives such as Open Access Digital Library and its task force on sustainable digital education. Second, trust must be treated as a foundational enabler of digital transformation. Cybersecurity, privacy, safety, and resilience are not optional. They are prerequisite for meaningful inclusion and sustainable digital public services. IFIP encourages the systematic adoption of security and privacy by design principles. Third, achieving the SDGs in the digital era requires explicit attention to digital equity and fairness in information processing, management, and the distribution of informational power. SDGs were conceived in a pre-AI and pre-platform era and must now be reconsidered and operationalized to reflect today's realities. IFIP is actively developing frameworks to ensure fairness is future-oriented, moving beyond 20th century notions of equity. Fourth, IFIP emphasizes that ethical principles must be embedded by design, not retrofitted after deployment. IFIP actively contributes to this work through its working group on AI for global security, aligned with UNESCO recommendations and international AI ethics principles. Fifth, sustainable digital education is essential to achieving all these objectives. IFIP highlights 4 priority areas: fostering learner aspiration, addressing diversity, inclusion, digital divides, and underrepresented communities, embedding computational thinking, and strengthening teacher preparation. Madam President, as WSIS enters its next phase, IFIP stands ready to contribute knowledge, standards expertise, and capacity building support to help shape a human rights respecting, secure, inclusive, and trustworthy digital future, one that truly serves people and societies worldwide. Thank you.
I thank the International Federation for Information Processing.